They say money can't buy happiness, but it can buy the best trail cutting machine in the country. Introducing the Sutter 300 trail machine from Sutter Equipment Company. One turn of the key, one turn of the throttle, and untouched ground becomes rideable terrain. The Sutter 300 works in rocks, roots, sand, and hard-packed dirt, turning rough terrain into flowing single track in minutes. No more searching for the perfect trail. Now you can build it. Because the best trails aren't found, they're created. The Sutter 300 trail machine. Build it, ride it, repeat.
Sutter Equipment came out here, burned in a track, 15 minutes, all through these cottonwoods. 6-turn track. It's just a legit piece of machinery that can get you something going in no time, and you can burn laps on it and put in a good session.